Let's start with Auto Resize. Auto Resize automatically scales your design to the correct size, no manual transforms, no trial and error. Once the file is loaded, AutoFlow detects the target size and applies the correct scaling rules instantly. Width, height, and proportions stay accurate. Text remains sharp. Graphics stay centered. Every resize is consistent across all files, making sure each output matches production standards. Auto Resize turns a time-consuming step into a single-click fast, precise, and reliable. Now let's move to Smart Copies. Smart Copies duplicates the entire file based on quantity and size data from a CSV. For example, Smith, large. Jones, medium. Manta, extra large. AutoFlow creates the required number of files automatically. Each copy receives the correct ribbing, collar, and placket pieces for its size applied instantly, with no manual setup. Names and labels are assigned per file. Components are placed correctly. And everything stays editable. One design becomes multiple, size-accurate outputs ready for production. That's Smart Copies. Quantity-driven duplication with intelligent garment components.